be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't.
Hey guys, so in today's video, I cannot believe that I'm showing you guys this, but this is what a catch-all space look like. Oh my god, it like literally catch everything. So this is where the bulk of my 30 plus plants live out at. We've never sat at this dining room table ever in our lives, y'all. But today I'm about to get this sucker together. I am, because my kids don't be trying to help with all this. But yeah, y'all, I am going to be getting all this clutter up out of here and cleaning and decorating my dining room for fall. But yeah, that's what this video is going to be. I hope you guys stick around and watch to see how everything turns out. All right, y'all, so I figured it's gonna be too long of a video if I try to declutter, clean, and decorate all in one video. So we're gonna do a little bit of YouTube magic, and we're going to see it here and then. All right, so this is what we're looking at. I have got everything out that I wanted to take out of here. So we're moving forward. I am going to be cleaning this table off, and then I'm putting a clear, I guess it's a protector coat, because it didn't make it shine when it was done. So that's what I'm cleaning the table off first. I actually refurbished this table and the chairs, but I never did put a clear coat on them. So eventually I will have to do that, but I'm putting this protector coat on it because the table gets messed up if something spills on it or something. So that's what I'm doing now.
Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. 'Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something.
Quickly take y'all along to show you where how far I am now. I do, or that stuff that I put on was just, I don't know what it's supposed to do, but I think I need to do I'm not gonna, it say you could put another coat on it, but it's dry. I'm not gonna put another coat on it. I think I need to get, what is that? It's some type of stuff that's actually supposed to make it shine. That's what I want. That's what I'm trying. That's the look I'm going for this table. I'm actually going to be redoing this table. Everything that's white in here is pretty much going black. Even my curtains. Eventually, what my goal was to replace all the blinds in the house. These blinds have been here since the previous owner. The previous owner stayed here, 20 years? About 20 years? Yeah, they had this house built. So the blinds are terrible, y'all. They need to be replaced. And I don't want to buy all these little cheap blinds to put up in the window, because that's not what I want up here. I want, those Roman shades or something. Anyway, that's what I want up here. But I'm going to be replacing the curtains. Like, them curtains only cost me like $5 from Walmart, y'all. I'll be trying to find them deals. But yeah, my plants are pretty much gonna stay where they are. I do want to get a better shelving system for them. I did see something that I want, but again, I'm not in the business of spending money right now. So and then this is actually a book dresser, my son's old dresser. It's a project. It's been sitting here, been waiting for me to touch it. I was gonna turn it into a buffet table for in here, but I just feel like it's just too much in here already with the plants. So that is gonna be turned into an actual TV stand that's gonna go into my living space, my den area over there that I actually just did. If you guys missed that video, I will link it in the cards and in the description below. So, and that cube shelving that I have my TV stand on will go to the dogs because theirs is torn up. But anyways, I am not showing y'all what it looked like because it's like got a lot of stuff that I need to declutter out of there as well. But that is going to be out of here, so it's going to open up a whole lot of space in this dining area. That is mail, y'all. I don't know what y'all do with y'all mail. I don't know why we get so much mail in this house. I don't, but everybody leave me to deal with all the mails. So I did put these on the wall. These were in my family room. Not my family room, in my den area on the wall. So I brought them in here. I like to reuse stuff, like shop my house, and that's pretty much what I'm doing in here. I'm bringing out I have so much fall decor, so I'll be bringing that back out. I have a tote, like 2 or 3 totes of fall decor that I'll be bringing out to kind of get this place and get this dining room in order, y'all. It's not late. It's like maybe 8 o'clock, 8 something, but I am tired. I'm drained. I'm drained from this day that I've had. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys where I am as far as how this table turned out. I don't think that I'm going to do anything else. I did clean already, so I'll be good to go to just come in here tomorrow and just start decorating. I will be getting all this other stuff that's in the way. This is actually stuff from my entryway. Other than that, I'm redoing that mirror. I have so many projects, y'all. Projects on top of projects that I have to get through. And then this stuff just needs to go to the garage until, well, some of it goes into my crafting room, but yeah. So I will catch you guys in my next clip. All right, y'all, this is how it all turned out. I went ahead and decorated off camera, y'all, because this is actually 2 days later. I had stuff to do yesterday that I didn't know I had to do, so plus I cooked, so but yeah, this is my table. I didn't get to do what I really wanted to do with my centerpiece, but this right here will do. And there's actually 3, 5 DIYs in here. I want to see if anybody can guess what I made. Not the flower arrangements, y'all. Well, let me just rephrase that. Not these, okay? But not those, but yeah, this is it. My little center. Somebody gave me this from my job. But I love how my table turned out, y'all. It's so cute. A lot of people wouldn't use this color for fall, but hey, I go with the flow with my walls because I love the color of my walls, and it just makes me feel like I'm at the ocean. And I didn't really do anything. Actually, there's 6 DIYs in here now that I'm looking. But yeah, it's the same thing on both sides of the wall. I didn't really add any. I usually put flowers and stuff in this. I just kind of kept it simple and clean. I have to take that to the garage. That's part of this table. This table is actually supposed to seat 8 or no, let's say, I think it can seat up to 12 people. But this is just this. This is my grandmother's hutch. I got it when she passed away, and it's damaged up here at the top. I gotta figure out a way to fix this. But yes, the same thing on both sides, except for that's a little different. It's the same thing on the wall, on each side of the wall when you go in the kitchen. And I'll have to disregard that mirror that came out of my den when I redid my den. So that's going in the entryway now when I finish the entryway. Just recycling decor. To get it from this view as well, y'all see all my little plants. I counted them. I have, I think, 31 or 32 plants in all. And I did propagate a good bit of plants. That's including 2 that I actually am propagating now. But yeah, I'm a little plant babies. Again, that table, that dresser is going out of here. Until I do the project, it's got to stay there. So, but until then, I will chat with you all in the next video. But make sure that before you close out that you hit the like button, y'all. Y'all don't know how much that helps push out my videos. So make sure that when you're watching that you smash that like button for me. All right. So I will chat with you all in the next video. Bye.
I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel. But if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really want